Before resetting your Google Pixel, backup data, save contacts and photos, sign out, log out of accounts, list apps, note important ones, save SMS, use SMS backup and restore, charge device, at least 50, disable FERP lock, remove Google account. Let's reset your Pixel. Part 1. How to factory reset Google Pixel on a computer thorough. For a complete factory reset on your Pixel, use Mobikin Eraser for Android. This reliable tool removes all data from your phone with just a few clicks, ensuring your privacy. Install the Eraser software on your computer to delete data from your Google Pixel. Connect your device via USB and enable USB debugging if needed. Open the software to detect your Pixel. Select Erase. Choose a security level and confirm with Delete. Click Erase again. Low level for recovery prevention, medium level for media, high level for sensitive info. The software will start the erasure process. Perform a factory reset on your Pixel to remove system data. Follow the prompts and click Continue to delete all data. Part 2. How to force a factory reset on Google Pixel via Settings. Open Settings. Go to System Reset Options. Select Erase All Data and enter your PIN. Confirm with Erase All. Restart if prompted. Sign in to restore your backup. Part 3. How to factory reset Google Pixel with phone buttons. Power off. Hold volume up plus power for 10-15 seconds. Select recovery mode. Confirm with power. When the logo appears, hold power and press volume up. Highlight wipe data or factory reset. Confirm. Select Yes to reset. Part 4. How to factory reset Pixel via Update and Software Repair. Download and install the Google Update and Software Repair tool. Connect your Pixel to the computer via USB. Open the tool and follow the instructions. Choose Factory Reset when prompted. Confirm to complete the reset. Part 5. How to do a factory reset on Google with Find My Device. Open a web browser and go to Google Find My Device. Sign in with your Google account. Select your Pixel phone from the list of devices. Click Erase Device. Confirm to begin the factory reset.